Okay, there's one more bit of the Maya interface that we're going to talk about, and then I think we've probably had about enough interface for right now, and it's time to get back to actually building objects. So this left-hand side, we've talked about these top controls here, but then we have these things at the bottom. Now, it's probably kind of obvious. This one is a perspective view. This one's our familiar 4 view, so we just click on that. There's our 4 views. But the rest of these are just other window configurations. There's 2 windows vertical with our outliner window. There's 2 horizontal with some sort of graphy thing here that we haven't really talked about yet, but we will. Then we've got a 3 window here, 2 at the top, that weird graphy window at the bottom, and who knows what that thing in the upper right is, but another kind of window we might actually see. There's 3 windows vertically here with, well, there's our materials window. We've recognized that, but some other weird thing in the middle. Okay, so as you can see, this lets us go back and forth between different window configurations, different designs. System plops a window into each part that it thinks you might like. But that's not the only way you can do this. If you look here at the bottom, here with our setup with our 2 horizontal windows, we've got 2 different pull-down menus or pop-up menus, depending upon how you look at it, where we can choose to put pretty much any window we want in those spaces. So there's our outliner window, and put something different in the top here. Well, it's the top, so we'll make it the top view. Okay, so there. And when you change to a different design, then those pop-up menus, they're changed too. So you can just go in and put whatever you want in any of those positions. So rather than thinking of these as these specific windows, just think of them as window configuration designs that have some default window there, but that you can easily change to be pretty much any other window you'd like. So that's fine. It's again, useful. Some people use this a lot. Some people just use the old tried and true space bar. One thing to notice, whether you use those or the space bar, those little pop-up menu things in the bottom left-hand corner actually reconfigure so that even if you change from the single perspective to the 4 view to any other single window, you can then go down to that pop-up menu in the lower left and change what windows are actually visible through that. So that's it. It's actually a pretty powerful tool. Some of those other configurations, the 2 window horizontal and vertical, are sometimes very useful, and you may find you use that, you may not. Just another one of the many options that Maya gives you. So that's it for now. And in the next video, we're actually going to start building something.